Hello, this is Christy Rogers, your Smart Education Solutions Specialist. Wanted to take just a moment to talk about the Smart Learning Suite online. We went to hellosmart.com, logged in as a teacher, and you can see my dashboard here. Smart Learning Suite Online is the online portion of the software. Remember, we have two pieces really of software with Smart. We have the online piece, which really allows us to take static content, quickly and easily share it to student devices and have students interact from their device, like a Chromebook or an iPad, really anything that has a web browser. And then we have notebook software, which we talked about earlier, which is installed on your desktop. With the online piece, I can take any file type, a PDF file, a notebook file, a PowerPoint file. And remember, I can take any file and turn it into a PDF. And I can, through this green button here, upload that file from my device. Like, for example, let me find a PDF file. I can actually upload that file and then add different games using the lesson activity builder or my little Atari monster. I can add different games. I can add formative and summative assessment, like Shout It Out, or I can turn pages in this PDF file into either independent handout activities or collaborative activities. So let me show you how you do that. Now you'll see it's taken that PDF file and page by page uploaded it. Now if I want to delete a page, I simply select it and click on the delete button. If I want to add a game, there's my Atari monster, right? I click on that blue button at the bottom, I select my Atari monster, and there's all of my different activities. So for example, here's my Shout It Out. Remember, I want to do Shout It Out as a formative assessment tool. All of my pages over here are drag and drop, so I can reorder them. So maybe I want to use Shout It Out as my bell ringer. But I also want to add a quick, let's do a super sort activity. And for the sake of time, I'm just going to do nouns and verbs with just a couple of answers. And verbs, I'll do run and sing. Click next, choose my theme, and finish. And just that quickly, I've added a game for my students to play. Now you'll see I also have the assessment tool here. Which of course is response. It allows me to build an assessment and actually capture the data or the answers in an Excel spreadsheet. Now the other thing that I can do in the online version is I can turn any of these pages in the PDF file into an activity. Notice the convert to activity button down here. An individual handout activity means students can interact with that page on their device, and they have tools available like an inking tool, a mouse tool. They have the ability to, for example, import images or type text. Okay. Now I can also turn pages in that PDF file into a collaborative workspace activity, which allows me to put my students into groups, have them work in real time in groups on the different pages of that activity. Of course, I randomize those groups myself, and I can provide instant feedback to both the groups or the individuals in those activities. And when I finish editing, there the activity is in my online dashboard. So my students just log into my class, they go to hellosmart.com, enter my ID, and as soon as I hit start, any student that's logged into my class will have access to this file that I've created.